Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit aesthetic Polaroid photos on Picsart. So here I've already added a photo to my Picsart editor page, and I'm going to show you how to make them looks like it's a Polaroid photo. So I'm going to add some effects first. So I'm going to add some Polaroid effects. So you just can go to the effects and then swipe until you find the Polaroid effects. You can just choose between 1 2 3 4 5 of them, which one you want to use. Okay, so I'm going to use this one. You can adjust the nose and also the blur, and when you're done, just click on the check icon at the top and then swipe to left and click on the I'm going to add some dust masking. Okay, so it looks more like a Polaroid photo. Just click on the check icon again, and then I'm going to go to the fit and click on ratio and make the picture smaller like this, and then click on the check icon, and then next you go to the sticker option and find the Polaroid stickers. Okay, just find the one that you think will fit the picture the most. For example, this one. Okay, adjust the position of the stickers like so. Okay, when you're done, just click on check, and then next just crop the photo like this. Okay, crop the photo that fits into the Polaroid frame. Just click on check, and then done. Your Polaroid photos has been edited. Okay, you can just save this photo into your phone. Okay, so that's it. That's for me. I hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and also subscribe our channel. See you on the next tutorial. Bye bye.